For this video, let's go back to the aerosols examples from 8.1L, example 8. The checklist item for the packing instruction block on the DGD includes a checkbox for the packing instruction number, and in our case, the DGD shows 203, which is correct for UN 1950 aerosols. So this box gets a check in the yes column. The next checklist item relates only to lithium batteries. If you were shipping under packing instructions 965-1B or 968-1B, the only two packing instructions with the 1B suffix, you could show that in the packing instruction column, or if you needed the room, you could show the 1B in the authorization column as indicated by 8.1P, example 12. However, we're dealing only with aerosols in this example, so we can show an NA for that checklist item number.